Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to set up PayPal auto return URL in the new dashboard. The auto return feature automatically redirects customers back to your website after they complete a payment. Instead of staying on the PayPal confirmation page, buyers are taken directly to a page on your website, such as an order confirmation or thank you page. This helps create a smoother checkout experience and lets you display additional order details or next steps. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal website and sign into your business account. Now go to Account Settings, then click Website Payments. After that, click Update next to Website Preferences. Now find the Auto Return option, then turn Auto Return on. After that, enter the return URL where you want customers to be redirected after completing their payment. Now review the URL carefully to make sure it is correct. Then remember that this return URL will be used for all auto return payments unless a different URL is specified in a payment button or payment link. After that, click Save to apply your changes. If you want to display payment details on your confirmation page, you can also enable payment data transfer after setting up auto return. Keep in mind that if PayPal account optional is enabled for new customers, they may see the option to return to your website instead of being redirected automatically. That's how you can set up the PayPal auto return URL in the new PayPal dashboard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.